Today we are looking into XML publisher reports. So in XML publisher reports having the different phases. The first phase is we are creating RDF report. After creating RDF report, we are moving into server. We are moving into particular folder uh, in server. In particular folder is there. In that particular folder we are moving our RDF file. After that, after moving creation of the audio report, moving into the particular folder in the server, next we are creating template, RTF template. So in that we are adding columns and required fields, adding columns and required related information in the RTF. So after completion of RTF design, so we are creating concurrent program concurrent program concurrent program registration concurrent program registration. So after creating concurrent program registration, make sure that in executable concurrent program short name should be same like RDF report name of the RDF report, and the concurrent program short name should be same. Further, we are attaching in concurrent program registration, we are attaching executable to the concurrent program. After, we are attaching concurrent program to the request group. Finally, we are running the concurrent program. So finally, what happens whenever if you run the concurrent program, the XML file will be generated. So make sure that while designing concurrent program, so the output will be like A4 or landscape, as well as and give the XML type. So it will generate like XML file format. So now take that XML file, save it as .xml, name with .xml, save the XML file. So after saving XML file, so this XML file we are loading into this template. What we have created template now. So that data we are loading into this XML publisher, that means Word template. Whenever if you load, so that we can add columns and required related information. So without loading, we cannot add any columns or required related information. Okay, that's a mandatory thing. Okay, now that means this case would be we are placing here. Can place here. After generating XML file, we are designing this case. Okay, no? Wait some time. So now you can check manually whether this will gives particular information or not. Through PDF or HTML, you can view it. But whenever if you run the concurrent program, in such a situation, we have to publish the report. For that, what is our next responsibility? So we are moving into the XML publisher responsibility. So in that XML publisher responsibility, XML publisher responsibility, we are creating data definition. We're creating data definition. In the creation of a data definition, the code field is there. There should be match against with the concurrent program shortening. So after creation of the data definition, we are moving into template design, template definition. In the template, we are attaching RTF here, attaching RTF file here. So now run the concurrent program of the particular responsibility, you will get the output. So let us move on to practically how we can implement it. So now and open report builder. I will save the document as XXP, choose report name as RDF, save. So it will generate data model and layout model. Here we are creating only data model. So right click on it, in report editor, choose SQL. I am writing simple query, select ename, EMP number, sal from EMP, click on OK, enter the credentials, apps this. Okay, now save this, save it. You can generate XML file here also, no problem. You can generate. I'm generating XML file. So here save it. Automatically XML file is generated. Now RDF process finished. Now make sure this file should be moved into the server. Where we are moving into Ora AS, Oracle, Base, apps ST, APPL. You can choose any folder. I am choosing here PO. Under this PO, under reports, US, I am moving my file. So which is my file? Earlier created XXP, right? Move it into this folder. So move it into this folder. Now open the template now. Open the template now. In this template, I did not find add-ins here, right? For that, go to Word Options, Add-ins, Word Add-ins. Check this one, template. Now here we are seeing add-ins, right? Now load the data. So this is the data we earlier created. This XX or XML, right? No, XXP XML. Yes. So data loaded successfully. So I am inserting all fields. So now you can preview it here as well. So HTML. So before that we have to give a name of that RDF file. So otherwise it won't take. xxp.rdf. Save. See, the result will be published. So we have to view this output while running concurrent program. For that, what is my responsibility? Now I am moving into concurrent program registration. So how I can create concurrent program? System administrator. In the system administrator, you can create executable. So I am giving the executable xxp. Everything I am giving xxp only. So I am creating purchasing responsibility. So execution file name is xxp, right? The RDF file name should be matched against with execution file name. So now save it here. So now after creation, create concurrent program. Create concurrent program and giving everything same. You can give different name also, no problem here. Like emp. Better to give xxp. So I'm giving the responsibility purchasing. The executable file name is xxp. I'm choosing format is XML. Style you can choose whatever you want. Save it. Go to security, responsibility, request, F11, all reports query with this values. Here attach your concurrent program. What is your concurrent program name? xxp. So it is attached now. Transaction complete, one record appearance. Okay now. So now run this concurrent program. So where I have to run? We are moving into the purchasing responsibility. We are taking request, submit new request. Here we are running our concurrent program. What happened whenever if you submit this concurrent program? Tell me. What happens? XML file would be generated. See, check output. So we are asking, you can choose like browser. See, XML is generated, right? So now XML is generated. Now want the report in a PDF format. For that, we have to create XML publisher responsibility. XML publisher administrator we are moving on. So in that we are creating data definition. In that data definition, click on create. Here I am taking xxp underscore dd. Application is purchasing. Code xxp. Apply. Update. So data definition is finished. Now we are moving into templates. I am creating a template now. You can give tmp, which application you are running, purchasing, code, this concurrent program short name, this is data definition name. So the default output type we have to mention here, PDF. Upload our template. So our template is RDF. So language is compulsory, English, and which English, United States you can choose, other also no problem. That's it, click on apply. So now our XML publisher activity, administrator activity finished. Now our next goal is run the concurrent program. Where I have to run? We are moving to the purchasing. We are going into request. We are submitting the new request. Which one we are running? This is the concurrent program XSP. See, if you observe here, it automatically displays the layout details. So now run this one. Run it now. Wait, sometimes will take some time to execute. Yes, it's finished. So now view the output. See, so finally we got the results. Thank you, not all.